Akala ng iba na gagawa ka lang ng isang application pwede na kagad sa Apple or sa Android. Naku, hindi po ganun kadali. Welcome to episode 13 on Project Code Sprint, where I talk about programming topics for the next 30 days. Sa mundo ng iPhone, Swift ang kasagutan. Swift is a word for fast, express. But this time, gagamitin natin yung Swift na word as a programming language. This is the programming language when we want to develop applications for Apple or iPhones. Ito ay mabilis, safe, and modern sa mga applications na dinedevelop natin ngayon. Ginagamit dito ang Xcode kung saan pwede mo i-drag, code, at least i-test mo ang application na ginawa mo sa kanyang built-in simulator. Unlike sa Android world, Kotlin and Java ang languages na ginagamit natin for development. And sa Android Studio naman ang platform natin. Pero ang Swift, it's really designed for the Apple ecosystem. Kaya kung kahit gaano mo kagusto, hindi mo basta-basta magagamit sa Android. Parang iMessage and FaceTime lang na exclusive to for the Apple's ecosystem. Pero it's not the end of the world. Meron rin naman tayo mga cross-platform languages or mga cross-platform tools na pwede natin gamitin for mobile development like Flutter or React Native. Pero maybe we'll discuss that on a different note. But for now, that's Swift for you.